Today I will guide you how to log in Bigo Live on desktop. So for that you need to open any preferred browser, and then on the browser you need to type in www.bigo.tv. Once you have typed in it, you need to press enter on the keyboard. Then you'll be taken to the official site of the Bigo Live application. Here you can see the option of login at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you are given a scan code to log in option, or else you can also log in with your Facebook, Google and other application as well. So in order to scan code, you need to scan a code from your mobile device. To do that, you can open the Bigo application on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then once you open the profile, you can easily get scan QR code option. Just tap and scan the code. Once you scan the code, you can easily log into Bigo Live application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment down if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.